Have you ever found a really cool element inside Canva and then realized, I've lost it. I don't know how to find it again. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know how to find any elements that are similar to this element to make a whole collection of these. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can find similar elements, find elements again once you've lost them, and also just a lot of element knowledge that is going to make your life a lot easier inside Canva. So let's dive in. Alright, so I've got up on my screen here a really cute element. So pretend I found this when I was scrolling Canva one day and I made a really cool design using this element. But then I was coming back a few months later and realized I could not remember at all the search term I used to find this and I couldn't find it again. What you can do is you can click on these little three dots. If I click on these little three dots when I've clicked on the element, so I've selected the element, clicked on the three dots, and I'm going to go for this info tab right down the bottom of my right click. If I click on the info tab, it's going to show you a lot of really helpful things. Firstly, it's going to tell you the name of this element. This is really helpful because if you want to, you could search similar phrases to this and find lots of other elements that are similar. So that's clue number one. It's not even the best clue though. You'll see here that we've got keywords that it's using, but down here, see more like this and view collection, these are going to be your best friend because if I click see more like this, it's going to open up Canva's element tab over here and show me a heap of elements that are very similar to this one already. If I add this one in, you're going to be able to again search similar elements, see more like this. And sometimes I might actually even bring up this one I'm looking for, again, if I wanted to find the exact same one. But if you do want to find this exact same one again, what you want to do is use that flower name is probably a good kind of clue. You can see I can't see all of the word here. So I'm just going to copy what I can, knowing that this probably says organic at the end. So I'm going to go back out of here, type into my element section the words I just found, organic, and press search. And I want to see if it pops up. You'll see it's bringing up a lot of the similar ones here. And you can see right down here, this is the one that I was looking for. But what you can actually do is if I click on this and press info, most things that I want to actually do with this flower are already accessible for me. Say, for example, I wanted to add it to a folder. This is really great. I highly recommend adding your brand elements to a folder or graphics that you use really regularly to a folder. If you're wanting to learn about brand elements and creating for yourself a whole set of graphics you can use to make your branding consistent in your business, I have a whole challenge called the Seriously in Business Challenge, which I'd highly recommend jumping into that. It's a free 3-part bingeable video series where you can kind of learn how to build out your brand and what your brand actually should look like rather than just picking the next pretty thing that you find. Anyway, I digress. So you would go in here, and for me, I've got a whole section of a whole folder of my brand elements. I would just click on this, press add to folder. I don't even need to find it over here. I can also do it from here. I can click those three dots again and press add to folder, and I can add that to my brand elements folder or any folder I was wanting to add it to. So you can see here, that's how you can find similar elements. Another beautiful thing is if you click these three dots, you'd press info, and you can also press view collection. This won't always be available because not every element will have a collection. But if I press view collection, you can see there's almost identical sorts of images here that fit in perfectly because this illustrator who's created this flower has created a whole collection of graphics that are similar. And so if you are looking out to build out like a whole theme of graphics for your branding and graphics you can use in your branding, doing this view collection feature will be so useful for you to find exactly what you need, keeping it branded consistently. All right, so I'm just going to go through now and just show you how I do this with any other element to show you how similar it works. So click on the element, click on the three dots, press info and check on the see more like this. You can see for this one, it's not got a view collection because it's not a view collection. But if I press see more like this, it's going to bring up lots of similar graphics. It does look like this should be in a collection for this one because there's similar ones, but the illustrator hasn't saved that to a collection. I can also see many other graphics that are also similar in its styling. If I want to find something like, oh, I really like how this one's still got a really cute outline, might use that. Or I really like how this one here's got a really cute outline. So what we want to do when we're collecting brand elements, for example, is choose lots of graphics that look similar to each other because that's going to help our brand to have a really cohesive vibe. So doing this see more like this is really helpful even if we don't have a collection to draw from. Similarly, you can use photos. So if I click again on the three dots, select info, you can see I've got see more like this as an option. You can see there's a heap of people collecting garbage on the beach or a beach and garbage. What Canva's doing is looking through probably those keywords and finding ones that have similar keywords here. Or I can press view collection and there's a whole collection of imagery that was taken at the same time that's got the same message and look to it. So again, if you're looking for stock imagery for your website or for your social media, use this see more feature and see view collection feature. You better see more graphics that are very similar in its style so you can actually create a whole curated look and style for your brand. Next up, I've got this graphic. Click on the three dots, info, see more like this, and you can see a whole collection of imagery that looks similar in its styling and in its line drawing technique. And finally, for this one here, click on the three dots, Info, see more like this, and you can see a whole range of graphics that look kind of similar in their styling I can use to base my branding off or find graphics that look similar. So that is how you can find elements that you might have lost, and that is how you can add elements to folders, and that is how you can find similar elements so you can explore a whole range of designs that might match the kind of vibe that you are looking for in the particular graphic you're creating. And like I mentioned, if you are a business owner and you don't yet have a whole suite of elements and a style for your own brand that's consistent and recognizable and really professional, make sure you hit up the Seriously in Business Challenge to learn more. And if you're not already, hit that subscribe button to make sure you keep in a loop for more incredible Canva tutorials just like this one. See you next time.